तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. म्हाज्या बरोबर आसात हांगा रोजरी हायर सेकंडरीचे स्टुडंट बाय एलोसिया आनी अनिकेत. एक म्हणल्यार पॅन्डेमिकाच्या टायमार भुरग्यांच्या मानसिके कडेन खेळूंक जायना. मुख्यमंत्री आनी सरकार म्हणटा एका वटेंतल्यान ज्या लोकांक वॅक्सिनेट जाला म्हणजे कॉलेज सेक्शन हांच्या खातीर पयलीं एक ऑर्डर काडली आनी सांगलें की कॉलेजींनी डिसायड करचें वेदर टू कंडक्ट क्लासेस ऑर एग्जामिनेशन दॅट कॉलेज हॅज टू डिसायड, कारण दे आर 18+ आनी दे आर कॉलेज सेक्शन स्टुडंट्स. पूण आतां सरकाराच्या नजरेक आमी हाडून दिवंक सोदतात की दक्षिण गोंयांत कांय हायर सेकंडरीनी म्हणजे 12वीच्या भुरग्यांचे एग्जामी ज्यो आसा इंटरनल, ह्या तांकां सांगिल्लें की 23 ऑगस्टा नंतर केन्नाय ऑफलायन जातल्यो आनी अकॉर्डिंगली टायम टेबल भुरग्यांक दिल्लें. आनी ह्या टायम टेबलाचेर धरून भुरग्यांनी आपली सुरवात केली अभ्यास, कारण एग्जाम्स वे सपोज टू बी हेल्ड ऑनलायन. कारण ही जीं भुरगीं आसात ही 18 सकयल आसा, 18 वर्सां सकयल आसात आनी ते कोणूच वॅक्सिनेटेड जाल्ले नात. 3 दीस पयलीं अचानक रोजरी हायर सेकंडरीन एक डिसिजन जाता की 23 तारखेच्यान तुमची एग्जाम्यो स्टार्ट आनी एग्जाम्स वील बी हेल्ड ऑफलायन मोड, म्हणजे इन फिजिकल मोड. नाव फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हू हॅज टेकन दिस डिसिजन? कारण आय हॅव स्पोकन टू द डायरेक्टर एज्युकेशन टुडे मॉर्निंग, बाब भूषण सावयकार, आनी ताणें कॅटेगरली सांगलां की अशें जर एग्जामी जर घेवंक जाय जाल्यार बोर्डा कडल्यान एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटा कडल्यान परमिशनाची गरज आसा, वीच दे हॅव नॉट ऑब्टेन्ड एंड नॉर दे हॅव गिवन. एंड सेकंडली ही हॅज सेड दिस इज कंप्लिटली रॉंग. सो आमी अपील करतात सरकारा कडेन, मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन, ही पत्रकार परिशद टिका करपाक ना पूण एक रिक्वेस्ट करपाक मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन, तशेंच बोर्डाच्या डायरेक्टरा कडेन, डायरेक्टर एज्युकेशना कडेन, की हे भुरग्यांचे घराणे आयकून घेयात. आज पेपरार ऑलरेडी बातमी आयिल्ल्यो आसा. जेन्ना भुरग्यांनी आपल्या हायर सेकंडरी पर्यंत विशय पावोवपाचो प्रयत्न केलो जाल्यार त्या वेळाचेर भुरग्यांचे जे वॉट्सॅप ग्रूप आहा ऑफिशियल हायर सेकंडरी, ते ताणें सेटींग चेंज केले आनी ओन्ली एडमीन कॅन पोस्ट मॅसेज म्हूण केलें. सो दीस इज व्हेरी बॅड. दीस इज व्हेरी बॅड ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ द हायर सेकंडरी मॅनेजमेंट, बिकॉज यू ऑल शूड नॉट प्ले वीथ द मेंटल स्टेट ऑफ द स्टुडंट्स. कारण पॅन्डेमिका लागून ऑलरेडी स्टुडंट्स आर अंडर स्ट्रेस. फॉर द लास्ट 1.5 years students have not been able to focus on their careers or schools or their examination. आनी अशा वेळाचेर जेन्ना तुमी पयली एग्जामी सांगतात, डिक्लेअर करता आनी मागीर अचानक तुमी कळयतात की ऑफलायन जातले जस्ट, आनी काल बुधवारा पयर अचानक टायम टेबल तुमी दितात. दीस क्रिएट्स कन्फ्युजन, दीस क्रिएट्स पॅनीक एमॉंग स्टुडंट्स. आज ऑलरेडी तुमी पळयात कितलेशे डिप्रेशनाचे केसीस जावपाक लागल्यात, कितलेशे भुरगे हे जावपाक लागल्यात, डिप्रेस जावपाक लागल्यात. आनी अशे तरेन जर मॅनेजमेंट वागता, अशे तरेन जर हायर सेकंडरी वागता, देन आय थिंक इट्स टायम दॅट वी ऑल्सो स्टँड वीथ द स्टुडंट कम्युनिटी. आनी हाच्या लागून आमी डायरेक्टर एज्युकेशना कडेन आमी आज मागला, सकाळीं ताजे कडेन उलयला आनी ताणें सांगलां की दीस कॅटेगरली रॉंग आनी ही वील लूक इन टू दीस मॅटर, बट देर इज नो टायम. I request our media friends also to highlight this so that at least the students get justice. They should not be, a play on their mindset. Currently, they are already stressed out. There are just 3 days remaining for the exams. They have no issues if the exams are conducted on online mode. कारण पयलींच कोविडाचो भंय आहा. दुसरे वटेन मुख्यमंत्री म्हणटा थर्ड वेव येवपाचें आसा आनी थर्ड सरकार आमचो पूर्ण सज्ज आसा, विच मिन्स इवन चीफ मिनिस्टर इज एक्सेप्टिंग दॅट थर्ड वेव इज ऑन द वे ऑर मायट कम. सो अशें आसतना भुरग्यांक स्कुलान आपोवप. आज खूब कडेन अशें जालां की सेकंड डोस घेवन सुद्दां खुबशे जाणांक कोवीड इन्फेक्शन जाल्लें आसा, वीच आय नो मेनी केसीस पर्सनली. सो अशा वेळाचेर भुरग्यांक हें करचें न्ही, भुरग्यांक स्ट्रेस आवट करचें न्ही म्हण आमी मागतात रोजरी मॅनेजमेंटा कडेन की तुम्ही ह्युमॅनिटेड ग्राउंड सारखे तांचे जाग्यार रावन चितात आनी जर हायर सेकंडरी जर डिसिजन घेना जाल्यार आमी मागतात की एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटान ताबडतोब हाजेर इंटरव्हीन करचें, डायरेक्टर एज्युकेशन ताबडतोब इंटरव्हीन करचें आनी ह्या भुरग्यांक न्याय दिवचो. आतां मागता स्टुडंटा कडेन की ताणें स्वता आमच्या मिडिया भावांक ब्रीफ करचें.
Yeah. Good evening. I'm Aloysia Ignastisa from Rosary Higher Secondary, Navali. So, in my opinion, I feel what is done is injustice to us, as many and most of the schools in the town have conducted online examinations. As Sir has already mentioned that we were told 2 weeks ago that the exams will be held online, and we were almost prepared for it. 3-4 days before the actual dates, we are being told that the exams are offline. It's a sudden moment for us, and we tried to talk to the management about it, but we got no response. Yesterday we were given our timetable, and I tried talking to my teachers, sent the messages in the groups, requested, and then I thought of taking this matter to someone elderly who can support these students and speak on our behalf, as our requests were being ignored by the college. This is all what I want to say, is that what the secondary section is doing is injustice, and also most importantly going against the statements of our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant. Please look into the matter. Thank you.
Is it a problem of only Rosary or it's a problem of other higher secondaries also?
I think there are a couple of higher secondaries. I exactly don't know the name. खंयचे ते आनी एक दोन कडेन अशें चल्लां. I will inquire about it right now and I will inform the director. आनी दोन कडेन चल्लां खंय, which I will find out immediately and I will inform the education director, Mr. Bhushan.
So have you tried to?
As a go forward, you are director of education, you are asking to come out with your decision.
Today itself.
Today itself.
Yes, he has to come because दीस उरूना न्ही 3 दीस उरले ताका ताणें ऑलरेडी म्हाका कम्युनिकेट केला वदळ की आपणान तांकां कळयलां पूण अशें ते करूंक शकनात. दे इवन टू कंडक्ट एग्जामिनेशन दे नीड अ परमिशन फ्रॉम अस which is not been given. He has clearly told me this. So I expect that he was in a meeting, he was in some presentation in the morning. So ताका हांवें सांगलां बाबा कितें तो आजो सोक्ष मोक्ष आज लाय because students are stressed out.
You have to speak to the management of Rosary.
Yeah, it is the director of education who has to speak.
Have you tried to contact the principal of the Rosary?
No, see, it's my duty to speak to the authorities. So I have spoken to the authorities. So let them communicate to them because I have spoken to the director of education. So let him take it up with the authorities.
What is your principal is saying?
We told the principal about it. She just said that she told one of her students that we understand your anxiety and you all should be prepared as we had told you all to study. I understand that we have to be prepared and we are almost prepared. But when we tried putting out our views, nothing was like being heard. And she told us that you all ask the teachers. Teachers are telling us you all speak to the office. So it's like one-on-one game going on.
Last time also I think they had taken the offline and somebody has infected you.
See, last time the case was the permission was given by Chief Minister. He had clearly said it's up to the colleges who want to hold the.
I'm asking you last time the examination.
Yes, they were infected.
Somebody infected.
Yes, yes.
So what is that?
It was, I think, last year final exams of 11th standard. One of the students from science stream was infected. He was tested for two students of science stream were infected positive this year, 2021. Yeah.
And then what has happened? Then after?
Then they took our, I think the final exams were taken online. Yeah.
The department was not told that a student was not.
And they had strictly warned the science department not. They had strictly warned the science department not to tell these things.
At that time. At that time.
At that time, yes.
In our batch also there were like so many of them, but
Very
how
bad.
many names were also we just know that 2 of them.
And this is also your way, not the final exam.
No, internal.
First, yeah.
Thank you.